the GT40.
This car might seem like an oddball to feature, considering we have a vast collection of Indy 500 cars that help tell the story of the Indianapolis Motor Speedway in which we reside. However, the GT40 played an intrinsic role in the history of American motorsports. For that reason, it's a great point of pride in the collection.
This is the point we would show you race footage of the car, tearing down the Mulsanne Straight. But we do not own said footage, so we must resort to Plan B.
Running a Le Mans car here at the Indianapolis Motor Speedway on the backstretch of Holman Boulevard. It's pretty amazing to be able to drive this guy here. Mark Donohue and Paul Hawkins. Obviously this was a few years before Donohue would win his 500 in 1972, but the car itself, a Holman and Moody built car. The car didn't last too long in the race, only 4 hours. Gearbox issues ended up forcing it out of the race, but the highlight here was the bonnet.
Among a plethora of problems was the bonnet flying off. However, this car did score a second place at Daytona, and its counterparts racked up 4 consecutive Le Mans victories. Meanwhile at Indy, Ford engines scored in 65, 66, 67, 69, 1970, and 1971.
Just a pleasure to drive. I don't know how these drivers would have ran this thing for 8 hours, 24, let alone an hour or two. To bring out what the restoration guys are doing is just amazing. Get these cars running, to get them going, to do things like this, to show more of the cars in action is a testament to what they're doing, a testament to the cars themselves. Just listen to that engine. Just amazing. Just amazing.